Namaskar, I'm Dr. Naresh Kumar, will present weekly weather review and outlook for next week. If you talk about the past week, there was one active western disturbance which influenced northwest India during 18 to 22, and there was a new cyclonic circulations over northwest India, and other than that one, there was a trough from the cyclonic circulation to Arabian Sea during 2 3 days of the week, which that is due to that one there was high moisture feeding from Arabian Sea over northwest India, and east-west trough was also there, mainly over the surface from northwest India to northeastern states, and offshore trough was also present there along the west coast during 20 to 22nd. And main, if you talk about the rainfall activity during the past week, it was due to WD along with the moisture feeding from Arabian Sea over northwest adjoining India, and due to the strong southerly from the Bay of Bengal to northeast India and sub-Himalayan West Bengal systems, there was extremely heavy rainfall activity, as you can see from the here I have mentioned in the figures. And if you talk about the overall rainfall activity during this week, it was along the west coast. It received heavy spells starting from Kerala, Karnataka, Konkan, Goa, and other part of the country like Odisha also received heavy rainfall some days of the week. Then MP, then even Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh Vidarbha received the heavy rainfall spells. And if you talk about the extremely heavy rainfall on 16th June, Cherrapunji received up to 68 centimeter rainfall. On 17th, Arunachal also received extremely rainfall, and Assam Meghalaya received up to 97 centimeter rainfall. And on 18th, again, rainfall was up to 41 centimeter over Assam and Meghalaya. Some Himalaya, West Bengal, Sikkim up to 35 centimeter. 19 also rainfall up to 29 centimeter. 20th, it has reduced slightly, but NNMT received up to 18 centimeter. Odisha also received 17 centimeter on this day. On 21st, Meghalaya also received 25 centimeters, sub-Himalayan 28 centimeter rainfall, and thereafter no significant rainfall was there on 22nd. So if you talk about southwest monsoon progress, southwest monsoon has further advanced some more part of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, remaining part of Chhattisgarh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, northwest Bay of Bengal, Odisha, GWB, most part of Jharkhand, and some part of that is northeast Uttar Pradesh during past week. And what we are expecting during next 1 week, it is likely to cover many part of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and some parts of northwest India, specifically towards the end of the coming week. So this is the rainfall scenario during the past week, 16 to 22. Then seasonal rainfall, monsoon season rainfall from 1st to 22 June. Here, if you talk about, there was a high amount of rainfall activity during past week. You can see from the figure, most of the subdivision which is in blue color indicating above normal rainfall activity. So, country as a whole received 45 centimeter above normal. Even Northwest India received 120% above normal rainfall activity. Central India was near normal. South Peninsula above 29%, and East and Northeastern states, East and Northeast India received more than 77%. As a result, seasonal rainfall become near normal. Normal rainfall is 106 millimeters, and the actual rainfall occurred that is 105.8 millimeters. So all of the regions except central India are near normal or above normal. East and Northeast India is 38% above normal. South Peninsula is minus 14, and central India is minus 34. Northwestern India is plus 9. So this is the performance of the southwest monsoon as compared to the past week. If you see past week, there was only 15% subdivision which received normal to above normal or largely excess rainfall. This week it was become 59%. And if you talk about the past 5 year scenario of the monsoons till today, so as I have mentioned, during 2020, it is 0% near normal. 21 it was 28% above normal. In 2020, it was 22% above normal. 19, it was below normal, was minus 43% below normal. 18 also, it was above normal by 7%, and 17 was also above normal by 4%. So almost except 2019, the rainfall was till date near normal or above normal. So this is the today's meteorological conditions. There is a trough in westerly 70 degree 26. Offshore trough is there. Along with that one, there is a cyclonic circulation over East Central Arabian Sea between 3.1 and 4.5. Another sizer is over, that is Southeast UP at low level. And as a result, due to East Central Arabian Sea sizer, we are expecting heavy to very heavy spell, that is more than 12 centimeter over Konkan and Goa during next 4 days, and slightly it may decrease on day 5 to become heavy rainfall. Gujarat region, we are also expecting heavy rainfall next 5 days. Even northeastern state, including sub-Himalayan West Bengal, we are expecting heavy rainfall next 5 days, and over sub-Himalayan, very heavy may also occurs on 25th, 26th, 27th, and Arunachal also can receive the very heavy rainfall on 27th of June. So if you talk about the totally weekly scenario rainfall activity is likely to be normal to abnormal over that is, you can say, South Peninsula, East India, central part of the country, except Western Himalaya region, Arunachal Pradesh, adjoining Punjab, where we are expecting below normals. So, as I have mentioned, due to the offshore trough, we are expecting very heavy rainfall over the west coast during next 5 days. Karnataka, Kerala also likely to experience heavy rainfall next 5 days. 5 to 7 days also. And if you talk about the northeastern states, heavy to very heavy spells may likely to continue during the week, and isolated heavy spells may occur over the central part of country Vidarbha Chhattisgarh during some days of the week. So if you talk about the week 2, rainfall is likely to be in active phase as compared to week 1 in week 2. So due to the likely formation of east-west trough over the central part of the country and adjoining North India, strong southerly winds from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal over these regions. We are expecting fairly widespread to widespread rainfall activity during many days with isolated heavy falls over central India, East India, and adjoining Northwest India during many days. And if you talk, we are expecting the southwest monsoon is likely to cover the entire country during the week. If you talk about the overall scenario, rainfall activity is likely to be above normal over the central part of the country, below normal northeast or joining East India, specifically South Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, interior part of Maharashtra, and normal to above normal over rest part of the country. If we talk about the temperatures, maximum temperatures due to the dry weather, subdued rainfall activity over northwest India, we're expecting maximum temperature should rise by 2 to 4 degree during next 3 4 days, and no significant change in likely remaining part of the country, and temperature is likely to be normal, near normal, and slightly above normal over most part of the country during next 2 weeks, and we are not expecting any heat wave during week 1 from 24th June to 30 June, then week 2 from 1st July to 7th July. Yeah, thank you very much for listening.